Hello students of 12th class, myself Ranveer Singh. I am explaining in this video Nernst equation and their derivation. Students, Nernst equation is given by scientist Nernst, and this equation is giving the relationship between electrode potential under standard condition with electrode potential under different condition. Students, we can easily find the standard electrode potential with the help of SHE, standard hydrogen electrode. When we connect these cells, means known cell, that is SHE, with unknown cell, and under the standard condition, the voltmeter will give the value of unknown cell, and that value will be standard electrode potential. But for calculating the unknown value of any electrode under different condition is very difficult, but this equation is very helpful to find out the electrode potential under different conditions with the help of standard electrode potential. So you have to watch this video completely to get everything related to this very important concept. For the derivation of the Nernst equation, we can take here as a general metal M, and their valency is taken as a N positive. One more important term you have to remember, that according to IUPAC concept or convention, it is compulsory to write the all type of reactions, either reduction or oxidation, in term of reduction potential. So therefore here the ion which is present in the solution having valency N positive, taking electron and changing into M solid, means reduction process is taking place. And for this reduction reaction, this is a half reaction. Why? Because redox reaction have two parts, reduction as well as oxidation, and in this first equation that is given for the reduction half reaction only, means half part of the reaction is explaining. For the half reaction, Nernst equation will be written as Mn positive changing into M. Here product should be written later and the reactant should be written first, means this reactant is changing into M solid after taking N electrons, and this is a half cell electrode under different condition, and this E naught is for standard electrode potential for the same metallic ion, and minus RT. Here R is a gas constant, T is a absolute temperature, N is a number of electron lost or gained during the process, and F is a Faraday's constant, Ln natural log, M means product should be written as a denominator, product should be written as a numerator, and ions as a reactant should be written as a denominator. Now this equation can be written in this way also, means this term Ln can be changed into log by using this value 2.303. Now this equation can be written in this form. After this, come to next page of this Nernst equation. Here again the terms are having the full form, means E is used for electrode potential under different condition, E naught is a standard electrode potential, R is a gas constant having generally value 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, T is a absolute temperature 298 or 25 degrees Celsius, F is a Faraday of electricity whose value is fixed, that is 96,500 coulombs, N is a number of electrons gained. Why? Because reduction process is taking place here, and Mn positive is a concentration of ions in moles, number of moles per liter, and M is a metal, that their concentration should be also taken as a molar concentration. Now substituting these values, the standard values like 298, this value, this, we get the above equation as this. Now solve these all values and simplify it, we will get 0.059 in place of these all values. Therefore this equation can be written as this one. Now one more term, the concentration of solid phase means this is taken to be unity. Why? Because there is no role of these type of atoms. Why? Because they are not present in the ionic form, in a dissolved form. Therefore, their concentration should be taken as a 1. Now this equation can be written as, after this, as we know that this is the representation of half reaction, half cell for the other conditions, and this is for standard. We can ignore these terms also. So therefore simply we can write E as a this, and this term can be written as this, and again the same value is written here. After this, now come to next page of this very important topic, the Nernst equation that I was explaining on second page, equation number 3, which we have derived from the general electrode reaction, can be written for the given particular metal. Means that was the taken for any type of metal having n valency, but we can write this equation, Nernst equation for half reaction, for any particular type of element like zinc. If we write that equation in term of zinc, then in place of that M ions, we can write Zn2 positive. Here Zn2 positive again. Now the same equation we can convert in form of zinc. Now if we want to calculate, if we want to derive the complete Nernst equation for any type of galvanic cell, these equations which we are explaining till now are only for half cell. Nernst equation can be written for the half cell as well as for the overall reaction, but overall reaction is important, and this reaction is for only the half part, means reduction part. If we take the Daniell cell as a example to find out the complete Nernst equation for this cell, then this zinc is a half reaction, half cell reaction, and now this reaction we know that in case of Daniell takes place at a anode having negative sign, and that is also present at the left hand side. Now in the same way as we have derived this equation for the anode, we can derive the other equation which is taking place at cathode in case of Daniell cell. In the same way we can write, according to IUPAC concept of convention, we should write all type of reactions, either reduction or oxidation, in term of reduction. So therefore in case of the other part of Daniell cell, that will be copper, and in that case copper should be also written in the same way as copper 2 positive taking 2 electrons changing into copper solid. This is the other half reaction in case of Daniell cell, and for this reaction we can write Nernst equation which is taking place as a cathode. In the same way we can write copper 2 positive. Why? Because here we are taking this reaction as a reduction reaction, so therefore electron will be taken to get neutralized. The same reaction means, as we have written in case of zinc, we can write Nernst equation for the copper electrode reaction. Now after this, cell potential. We know that cell potential, that is simply represented as E cell, is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Important formula. Why? Because Nernst equation is depending on this important formula. For any type of cell, overall cell potential will be equal to electrode potential of cathode half cell minus electrode potential of anode, and cathode is always written towards right side and anode as a left side. So therefore we can write here as a right minus left also. One more thing, that we can write this equation here. We are taking as a Daniell cell, so therefore at cathode the reaction which is taking place is copper 2 positive is changing into copper solid. Why? Because here we are taking all reactions as a reduction reaction, so therefore this reaction will be written as this, and the anode in term of reduction will be Zn2 positive converting into Zn. This is the cell reaction, E cell, for the Daniell cell. For the other type of cells, we can write in the same way. Now come to next page, that is fourth of this important concept which we are discussing. Now on putting the values of Zn, E Zn2 positive Zn and E Cu2 positive into Cu from the equation 4th and 5th. Already I have explained that. Now if we put the values, means the equation which is important one, that is E cathode minus E anode, and at cathode the half reaction Nernst equation, and at anode the half reaction, that is anode reaction. On combining both equations, on putting these values and after solving, we will get the complete cell reaction in term of Nernst equation, and this will be the final equation, final Nernst equation for the Daniell cell, for complete cell. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2. 2 is a number of electron gained. Log Zn2 positive ion concentration in moles per liter upon copper ion concentration in moles per liter. This is the very important equation. Finally, this is the Nernst equation for the Daniell cell. We can write the other equations also. For example, if any cell have cell representation like this, means Ni solid is changing into ions. This is a very important concept. We can write this cell representation. In this, Ni is changing into Ni positive ion, and this is showing the salt bridge, and this is showing the change which is taking place within the cell. Here this cell is for left hand side for negative charged, and here this cell is for cathode, means towards right side, and this cell can be written in the form of equation also. Cell reaction will be Ni plus 2 ions of silver changing into Ni2 positive plus 2 atoms of silver. Now for the converting this reaction, very important, we can easily convert this reaction in term of, or this reaction in term of Nernst equation. Simply E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2. Here 2 electrons are involving, so therefore N have 2 value, log concentration of nickel ion to the concentration of silver ion. Here the concentration should be taken for silver as a square. Why? Because this value will be taken as a square, concentration square.